What's happening, everybody? My name is David. This is Shoulda Worn Shoes. Today we're going to be cooking some very exotic and invasive fish on one of these rocks out here, hanging out here at the river and having an awesome time. Check it out. The river is pretty much perfect right now. It is low. There's big old lime rock exposed, which is awesome. And this time of year, only about 2-3 months we get where we can come out here and do what we're gonna do right now. Don't slip on those slippery rocks. Anything green is very slippery, okay? What'd you catch?
Fish.
Let me see. Nice. You gonna eat them?
No, it's tiny.
Let me see. Little minnow right here. All right, guys, ready?
You swallow it? Swallow it.
Yeah, sushi, baby.
I wanted some.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
What'd you find?
Shark teeth.
Little shark teeth. How cool is that? Nice, Luke. David, what do you got? Let me see. That is a stingray tooth, a fossilized stingray tooth.
I was gonna say that.
Pretty cool, man. That was harder than it should have been, but we got him. Okay. That is a crazy looking fish.
Can I food it?
Yeah, feel it. What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
You want to eat them?
Yeah.
All right, let's cook them. First, we're gonna make a fire. All right, time to get this fire going. We cut some fat wood at home, which is an amazing fire starter. It's just pine wood that's full of resin, just dead and old and full of sap, which is very flammable. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. I think this right here is gonna be a great spot for this fire. Right here on this rock. Perfect. These palmetto fronds right here make an excellent fire starter also. These combined with some fat wood, or lighter knot, is unstoppable. I mean, the fire will just start going like crazy. That should work out well right there. Good dry wood right here. Should we cook the roe? You guys, look, that's fish eggs.
Gimme. Is that fish eggs?
They're all those orange things are fish eggs.
Those are like Nemo.
Yeah, they are like on Nemo. Same thing, roe. It's fish eggs. And it's good that we caught that one because that is hundreds or thousands of little tiny Pleco fry, which is not good. They destroy the banks around here. They're invasive. Not supposed to be here. Look at it twitching. See him twitching?
Yeah.
Look at it moving.
Yeah. Is that the wind?
Those are nerves.
Nerves.
Okay, about 10 minutes or so and that fish should be done. Wow. That's butter. Make a little oven. Trap some of that heat, keep the moisture in. All right, let's see how it tastes. Make sure it isn't too spicy. It's actually amazing. How is that?
The best.
Is that good?
Can I have that part?
Oh my God.
Can I have that part? No, can I try?
That is the best.
Really?
That part? Can I try?
Yes, hang on a second, you fiends.
My turn.
You bandits. 1 second. Luke.
And then me.
They seem to like it quite a bit. Oh yeah.
Yeah, can I have any?
That char right there, the outer onion layer protects the onion perfectly from burning too much, but just that little bit of char makes it really good. Here, how do I do?
I want that.
Hold that.
Okay.
It's like a chicken drumstick.
Hold it. Can I try?
Wow. It's really good. This is the best Pleco I've ever had. This is gonna sound insane, but I almost taste a crab flavor. And I'm not kidding. I mean, I can't believe it, but it's true. Sweet Vidalia onion over a fire.
It is burning.
Very good.
I made the whole
Hang on a second. Hang on. The kids love everything, which is amazing. I love that they'll eat this stuff.
Ow.
Look at that. I mean, we got like a bunch of little fiends in here. All right, guys. All right, you hyenas. Chill out here.
Stop it.
Whoa. Hey. Polite. Patience. We're not animals. Okay? Well, the kids are chowing down like a pack of hyenas on that Plecostomus. We're gonna hop in the water and try to find some shark teeth. Oh, fuck me. Oh, it's right there. It's a dolphin head. Nice one. You having fun, baby? Cool, right? All right, guys, we found some shark teeth, found some fossils, had an awesome time. Thank you for hanging out with us. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. But for now, we're gonna pack up, clean our mess up, and get out of here. Have an awesome one.